Hello and welcome to the Freshinator 3000 brought to you by Plugin Dynamo. I'm going to take and show you inside the Freshinator 3000 and show you just how easy it truly can be to keep all of your posts, all of your WordPress content fresh, relevant, and up to date. So when you first set up the Freshinator 3000, this is what you'll see. You'll have to enter in your authorized email address, and then that'll take you into the Freshinator 3000. And really all you have to do is go to this Settings tab. And then from the Settings tab, it's very easy. And let me just move this box over here so you can see. I think you'll see how anyone can do this. Really, all you have to do is turn it on, click Enable, include the fresh box on your post, yes or no, and then after how many days do you want the fresh content to start to appear? If you do a lot of blogging, if you do every day, you're doing constant new updates, maybe you want to set this for 1 day or 14 days, 30 days, however often you want it to be. And really what this means is that you're going to have your original content on the site. In this example, we'll have the original content on the .com report for 14 days. And then after 14 days, there'll be a fresh box that appears, which will start to pull in content that has been added to the site after the date in which we did the post. So if we did a post on May 1st, on May 15th, it will start adding and showing newer content on that post. So the post from the 1st, all of a sudden starting on the 15th, will have a little box that will appear that will have content that's been added. So it's providing fresher, more relevant content since the original post. Now you can have it only include content from the same category of your original post. You can do that if you'd like, or you can say from any category on your site. But on the .com report, if it's an AdWords article, I only want content added to the page if it's from AdWords, the AdWords category. Or if it's an SEO article in the SEO category, I only want new content added to it from the SEO category. And I can choose to stick it at the top of the post or the bottom of the post. And really what that means is that the little update box is either going to appear at the top of the content above your original content, or it's going to appear below the original content. You then can enter in a name for the box, and let me just show you the actual box so you can see what I'm talking about here. Hold on one second. I'm going to pause the video and then bring one up for you. Okay, I have a post open. So this is a post I used in the previous video about Twitter officially launches promoted accounts, and here's the update box. So as you can see, we're saying run it at the top of the post, and we're saying to only list 5. So if we wanted it to list more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we wanted it to list more, we could just change this number. Maybe we only want 1 or 2 or whatever it may be. And we want it at the top of the post. You can see here it stuck it at the top of the content. So here was the original content, and it just inserted it right above. You can see here it says new updates. Well, that's exactly what we have here. If we wanted it to say new AdWords, you know, if we wanted to put AdWords updates, we could type that in here. Whatever you type in this box is what will appear in this section right here. You can then style and design your own box to make it match your site. This is the default settings that come with it, and this is the default look and feel. So you can make it look any way you want. That the choice is yours. And then these all link to the internal page on your site. So it doesn't take the user off of your site from here because this is all content from your site. But it's very easy to set up. And then that's it. Once you just go through here and then you hit save, and that's it. It's completely set up, completely enabled. There's no code you have to mess with. There's nothing really you have to do other than to come here, turn it on, check a few boxes, and hit save, and that's it. All of your older content, all your prior content will be kept fresh and updated as you move forward. So this is very important to go in sync with all the updates that have come out with Google and their continued push and emphasis on fresh, relevant content. So I hope to see you inside our members area, and I hope you have a chance to check out and use the Freshinator 3000. Thanks.